Hello, I'm Rebecca and I've lived at Salston Manor for the last 7 weeks. Previously I lived in a really old cottage in Cornwall. There was an oil-fired Rayburn, so the heating was kind of like at best irregular. There was a wood burner as well, so it wasn't particularly energy efficient, and it also was really cold in the winters. I expected it to be really quite noisy, and it was a concern initially, thinking, well, it's just going to be underneath my bedroom. But I've literally been blown away by the fact that it's not noisy. It seems to be doing its own thing. Haven't been disturbed at all. So I'm looking forward to winter, which I've never really said before in terms of living somewhere. Yeah.